Okay, now I want to talk about real zeros and their multiplicity. So let's identify the real zeros of a polynomial function and their multiplicity. So here's a definition. If f of g equals 0, then g is a real zero of f. G is also an x-intercept, and x minus g is a factor of the polynomial function. All right, so for number 4, if f of 3 equals 0, then 3 is a real zero of f. Not only that, but 3, 0 is an x-intercept. And we also have a factor of f, and that would look like this, x minus 3. All right, let's do it again. Let's say f of negative 12 equals 0. In that case, negative 12 is a real zero of f. Also, negative 12, 0 is an x-intercept. And lastly, x minus negative 12, or x plus 12, is a factor of f. All right, last but not least, number 6. If f of 2/3 equals 0, well, then 2/3 is a real zero of f. Also, 2/3 0 is an x-intercept. I'm going to separate that f, that's a little bit close. And with fractions, it's a little bit tricky. You could have a couple different things as factors of x. First of all, of course, x minus 2/3, that could be a factor of f, but also remember how sometimes those fractions are formed. This could be 3x plus 2. All right? That can also be a factor of f. And some of you are wondering why one of them's a minus sign and the other one's a plus sign. That's just because this is a mistake. This plus, that needs to be a minus sign. I'm going to get rid of that. Put a minus in there. Thanks. All right, now let's take a look at what multiplicity means in the next video.